I think the passion and commitment of our volunteers, we did want lots of people to get involved, and everybody's contribution made a difference. But I think some of the volunteers really astounded us, going out in rain, going out throughout the winters, endlessly participating and sticking to our protocols, which might have seemed a little bit off the wall, but unless we collect the data in the same way, we won't get that value out of the data. So it might seem a bit like scientists are off on tangents, but it's important we stick to collective protocols. I love going out and sharing my knowledge, and so do all our teams. We love going out and sharing what we know with our volunteers and seeing how passionate they are at learning and investigating. So I don't know if there's any one moment, but I think the wine and science, which sounds a little bit obvious, but I think it's that bringing together, that collective social aspect. It's very, very important about marine citizen science projects. I know there's wine involved, but that was not the only issue. It's collectively coming together and having a social component and sharing science and our love of the marine environment in that way. So clearly there is the data sets, and they are clearly very valuable. But I think overarching, we have got a real case study here, a real success study that can be shown to policymakers, that can be shown to the scientific community, that members of the public care and members of the public can collect really robust, valuable data that can be fed in to policy or science and have long-term impacts and effects. Well, clearly we've got an awful lot of data that's going to take us as a science team to write that up and publish it. That's really, really important because we want that data out there to make impacts in different fora. But we also have motivated and trained 3,000 people, and their motivation is hugely valuable. We want to continue it. So we want to look for future funding that will take this project forward and push the boundaries back even further, look for new ways of exploring our marine environment together.